Hi guys, we're here from Nuh Dutty Up Jamaica, and today we want to talk to you about plastic straws.
So on January 1, 2019, the Government of Jamaica implemented a ban on some single-use plastics, including plastic straws. Now, we're not the only ones who have this ban, but why have the ban? Why ban plastic straws?
So hundreds of thousands of plastic straws are used once and thrown away each day. Plastic straws are among the top 10 most collected items at International Coastal Cleanup Day each year, and they make up 3% of the garbage around the world.
Now, this small number has a big impact. Each year, 1 million seabirds and 100,000 marine animals die from ingesting plastic. Fish can consume plastic, and these fish can make their way onto our plates, and nobody wants to be eating plastic.
No. Alright, so what can you do to reduce your use of single-use plastic? Skip the straw. Hold on 1 second, I don't need a straw.
You don't want a straw?
No. So we went and we got lunch, decided to skip the straw. But if you really feel like you need a straw, we have some reusable options that you can try.
So you have stainless steel straws, and often they come with their own little straw brush so you can keep it clean, and sometimes they come in a nice carrying pouch or case that makes it easy to take in your bag.
You also have a glass straw. It's a little less portable than your stainless steel straw, but you can keep this at home or at the office, so you can skip the straw when you're on the road and then just use it when you get in.
But there's more.
You can also use a bamboo straw. So the great thing about these is that they are biodegradable. So if you do decide to throw them away, it won't be a problem.
If you decide to use a single-use straw, make sure it's made from biodegradable material, like paper.
And when you're throwing them away, remember, do it properly. Bag it and bin it. So if you or anyone you know provides reusable straws or paper straws, you can put their information down below so we can share the knowledge. So remember, skip the straw.